Welcome to the world of DevOps, where development and operations come together to deliver software faster and more efficiently. DevOps is a set of practices that bridges the gap between software development and IT operations. It emphasizes collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. The DevOps lifecycle consists of several stages: planning, coding, building, testing, releasing, deploying, operating, and monitoring. These stages form a continuous loop, ensuring quick feedback and rapid iterations. In traditional setups, development and operations teams often work in silos, leading to slow releases and frequent issues. DevOps breaks down these silos by fostering a culture of collaboration and shared responsibility. Automation is a key component of DevOps. Automated pipelines streamline code integration, testing, and deployment, reducing human errors and accelerating the release process. With continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD, every code change is automatically tested and deployed, ensuring that software is always in a releasable state. Infrastructure as code, or IAC, is another crucial practice in DevOps. It means managing and provisioning computing infrastructure through code, making it easy to scale and replicate environments. Monitoring and feedback loops are vital. They provide real-time insights into system performance and user experience, allowing teams to quickly identify and address issues. DevOps transforms how organizations deliver software. It enhances agility, improves quality, and accelerates time to market, giving businesses a competitive edge. Collaboration, automation, continuous improvement. These are the pillars of DevOps. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology.